Hello everyone, Mar here, and today I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out using CapCut. If this guide helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so I have selected this video of me filming a small ab routine. So you simply have to select the video and you're going to drag out the corner. So you're going to expand the video like this. And let's say I want to zoom in somewhere different than the video. So let's say I want to zoom to this guy's face, for example. So he's walking past me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a keyframe. So I'm going to go ahead and add a small little diamond, this symbol right here. And then I'm going to move the video and I'm going to zoom in. So let's say I want to zoom in a little bit more. And that will automatically zoom in to the video like this. Let me show you again. If I want to zoom out of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to where I want to zoom out. And I'm going to add another keyframe. And now I'm simply going to make the video a little bit smaller. So remember guys, you just simply have to drag out the corners of the video with your fingers. And it's that simple. Look. In case you don't want that smooth transition that makes it kind of like you're zooming in slowly, what you're going to simply do is you're going to tap on the video. So I'm tapping on the video. You're going to select split. Then you're going to move to the right a little bit and you're going to split again. And then you're going to select the video that you want to zoom in. So for example, I want to zoom this part of the video and I'm going to simply do that. And now you're not going to have that small effect, simply going to zoom in and out. So it's going to be a little bit quicker rather than this smooth transition that you see right here. And that is it, you guys. I hope this video helped. In case you have any questions, please comment them down below and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.